Connecting your gear, the ultimate guide to mic, interface, computer, and monitors for recording. Welcome back to Studio Wizardry, where we focus on teaching home recording with an easy-to-understand, fast-paced learning approach. In this article, we will take a deep dive into how to properly connect your essential gear: microphone, interface, computer, and studio monitors. By mastering these connections, you will be well on your way to producing professional quality recordings in your home studio. Let's break down each component, starting with the microphone and moving through the signal chain to give you a solid understanding of how everything works together. This article follows our Blackjack Mastery teaching style, which means we will go in-depth while making everything as easy to understand as possible. 1. Microphones. The first step in the recording chain. Your microphone is the first piece of gear that will capture your voice or instrument. The sound you produce gets converted into an electrical signal that is sent to your interface. Understanding how to connect and optimize your microphone setup is crucial to achieving great sound quality. Connecting your microphone. Most professional microphones will connect to your audio interface through an XLR cable. This cable has 3 pins inside the connector, which ensures a balanced signal with less interference or noise. Here's how to connect your microphone to your audio interface. Step 1. Plug one end of the XLR cable into the microphone. Step 2. Plug the other end of the XLR cable into the input on your audio interface. The input might be labeled mic or input 1. If you are using a condenser microphone, make sure your interface is providing phantom power. Condenser microphones need phantom power, 48 volts, to operate, and this can usually be activated by pressing a button on your interface. Microphone positioning. Once your microphone is connected, it's time to position it correctly. For vocals, make sure the microphone is about 6 to 12 inches away from your mouth and placed at a slight angle to reduce the chances of picking up plosive sounds, harsh P and B sounds. Use a pop filter to help manage these sounds and improve the clarity of your recording. For instruments like acoustic guitar or piano, experiment with microphone placement to find the sweet spot where the instrument sounds most balanced. 2. The audio interface. Your sound translator. The audio interface is the bridge between your microphone or instrument and your computer. It converts the analog signal coming from your microphone into a digital signal that your computer can record. Once the computer processes the sound, the interface converts it back into an analog signal that you can hear through your headphones or monitors. Connecting your audio interface. Most audio interfaces connect to your computer via USB or Thunderbolt. The steps to connect your interface are straightforward. Step 1. Plug the USB or Thunderbolt cable into your interface. Step 2. Connect the other end of the cable to your computer. Ensure the drivers for your interface are installed on your computer. These can usually be found on the manufacturer's website. Once connected, open your Digital Audio Workstation, DAW, and select your audio interface as the primary input and output device. This step is essential to ensure the computer and DAW recognize your interface, allowing it to process audio correctly. Setting gain levels. Setting the right input. Gain level on your interface is essential for a clean recording. Too low and your recording will sound weak. Too high and you risk distortion. Here's how to adjust the gain. Speak or play into the microphone at the volume you'll use during the recording. Slowly turn the gain knob on the interface until the signal peaks around 6 dB to 12 dB on your DAW. This provides a strong signal without causing distortion or clipping. Most interfaces also have a headphone jack that allows you to monitor the sound in real time without any delay. Make sure to adjust the volume level on the headphone output for comfortable listening. 3. Computer setup. The recording brain. Your computer is the central hub where all the recording magic happens. It runs your DAW and processes the audio captured by your microphone and interface. Connecting your computer properly to your interface is crucial for seamless recording. Choosing the right DAW. Your DAW is the software that allows you to record, edit, and mix your tracks. There are several popular options available, including Pro Tools, industry-standard software used in professional studios; Ableton Live, popular among electronic music producers; Logic Pro X, Mac-only DAW that is user-friendly and versatile; FL Studio, great for beat making and hip-hop production. Studio One offers an intuitive interface and a range of features. Once you have selected your DAW, make sure your interface is properly configured in the audio settings. Optimizing your computer for recording. Recording audio is a resource-intensive task. To get the best performance from your computer, follow these tips. Close unnecessary programs. Recording software needs as much processing power as possible. Close other programs to reduce the strain on your CPU. Increase buffer size. If you experience pops or clicks during playback, increase your DAW's buffer size. This will give your computer more time to process the audio. Use an external hard drive. Save your audio files to an external hard drive to free up space on your computer and ensure smoother performance. 4. Studio monitors. Hearing your work clearly. Studio monitors are specially designed speakers that offer a flat, uncolored sound. This means they do not boost or cut any frequencies, allowing you to hear your recordings exactly as they are. Using studio monitors is essential for making accurate mixing decisions. Connecting studio monitors. Most studio monitors will connect to your audio interface using balanced TRS or XLR cables. Here's how to connect them. Step 1. Plug one end of the balanced TRS or XLR cable into the output jack of your audio interface. Step 2. Connect the other end of the cable to your studio monitors. Once connected, adjust the monitor volume on your interface. Be careful not to set the volume too high, especially when you first start monitoring a track, as loud levels can cause hearing damage. Positioning your studio monitors. For the best listening experience, your monitors should be positioned at ear level and angled slightly inward, forming an equilateral triangle with your head. This setup ensures that you are in the sweet spot, where the sound from both monitors reaches your ears simultaneously. Additionally, avoid placing your monitors too close to the walls, as this can cause unwanted bass buildup. Instead, leave some space behind them to allow for better sound distribution. 5. Connecting headphones for monitoring. Headphones are crucial for recording, as they allow you to monitor the sound without it being picked up by the microphone. Closed-back headphones are ideal for tracking because they offer excellent isolation and prevent sound leakage. Connecting headphones. Most audio interfaces have a dedicated headphone output, usually a 1/4-inch jack. Here's how to connect them. Step 1. Plug your headphones into the headphone jack on the audio interface. Step 2. Adjust the headphone volume to a comfortable level using the dedicated knob on the interface. For recording, it is important to use headphones that provide a true, accurate sound without too much bass or treble enhancement. This will help you monitor your recording session accurately. Troubleshooting common connection issues. Even with the best gear, you might run into occasional technical problems. Here's how to troubleshoot some common connection issues. No sound from microphone. Check cables. Ensure the XLR cable is securely connected to both the microphone and the interface. Phantom power. Make sure phantom power is activated if you are using a condenser microphone. Gain level. Check the gain level on your interface to ensure it is not set too low. Latency issues. Buffer size. Lower your buffer size in the DAW's audio settings to reduce latency during recording. Computer resources. Close unnecessary programs and processes that might be consuming CPU power. No output to monitors. Output routing. Double-check the output settings in your DAW to ensure your interface is selected as the output device. Monitor. Volume. Check the volume settings on both your audio interface and your monitors. The conclusion. Your gear, connected and ready to record. Connecting your microphone, interface, computer, and monitors correctly is the foundation of any home recording setup. Once everything is properly configured, you'll be able to focus on what truly matters, making great music. By following this guide, you are now prepared to set up your gear and start recording with confidence. Remember to subscribe to Studio Wizardry for more in-depth guides on mastering home studio recording. Like this video, leave a comment with any questions, and let us know what topics you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for more lessons from our Blackjack Mastery series.